Oh, well, you guys should get lots done this year. You know, other than
Yes.
lots of mud.
Yeah, that's right. We would have. We were planning on having everything tied in this year.